We're taking a closer look at the Brother GX37 sewing machine. So if you're looking for a beginner sewing machine for someone who's just starting out, then this one should definitely be on your list. It's really easy to use. So one of the things that people really like about this machine is that it has an easy threading system. So you're not going to be trying to get the thread into the small needle eye. It's going to do that for you. That's going to save you a lot of time because anyone who's tried to put a slightly frayed thread through a small needle hole knows how frustrating that can be. And that's going to get that needle threaded for you really easy. So this machine has 37 built-in stitches. It's got decorative patterns, straight lines, zigzags, and an auto-size buttonhole. And that's going to give you a really good variety of stitches without being too overwhelming for a beginner. To select your stitch, you just select it by turning the dial. Super easy. Another thing that customers really like about this machine is that it has good foot pedal resistance. So when you're pressing down on the pedal with your foot, it feels like you have total control. It doesn't just get away from you like some machines do. Okay, let's talk about the sewing feet. So it comes with the zigzag, and this is the foot you're going to be using for all your zigzag stitches. And then the buttonhole foot. This is going to make your buttonholes for you. So what you do is just stitch your buttonhole, and then you just take a really sharp knife or sewing knife, and then you just cut your buttonhole. And then it's got the button foot, and that's going to sew on all your buttons. Then the zipper foot, the blind hem foot. And what this does is gives you your blind hem so you don't see your stitches. And the narrow hem foot. And this is the foot that gives a professional look to the finished piece because as you're sewing, it folds the raw edge of the fabric under before it passes under the needle. So compared to other sewing machines, this isn't the most heavy-duty sewing machine, but it will do most jobs for you, especially when you're just starting out. It's going to sew through denim, cotton, and poly blends, and of course lighter fabrics too. So overall, this is a great little machine to start off with. We hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching.